we've made it here to the Polynesian. Let's see if they have the Aloha bags, and let's see what the boutique looks like. But look at this beautiful sunshine. Tell me how tropical this looks. Wow. All right, welcome to one of my all-time favorite Disney merchandise locations, the boutique. Oh, those are pretty, the little serving tray sets. Dole Whips. Found it. There it is. Wow, let's take a look at this for a second. So, this is the new Polynesian Resort lug bag. Take a look at that. Okay, so the new bag is normal price, right? $65, I think. There it is, $65. $65 for the Polynesian bag. I'm assuming that these are gonna sell out as quickly as the Fort Wilderness one. So I know I'm getting one. Exciting. I was a little nervous when I first walked in. I was like, I don't see the bags. I was like, oh no. They do have a limit of 2, but even then, a limit of 2, I mean, you know, family of 4 gets 8, so they can go really, really, really quickly. They do have some Halloween shirts here as well. They've got the Pick Your Poison. They have the new Princesses in the Font t-shirt. It's this one right here. What else? Another new Halloween shirt. I do like they have the Polynesian lounge fly. It's very nice. The canvas balloon bag. Just getting a look at some of the ears too that are available. Moana ears. Big mini bows. Here's the DVC Goonies. You have the totes, the crossbodies. Here are 2 Polynesian pins, current pins. You guys can see what those look like. The water bottles. Anything jumping out as new? Not specifically. I do like the big Minnie Mouse one. That's nice. All the teas. Winnie the Pooh. They have Marie. They have those really cool water bottles. Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. Stitch. Kitchen. You know what? Now this might be new or newer. The oven mitts. Those look a little bit newer to me. One of the things really cool about Boutique is they get a lot of merchandise from Aulani, Hawaiian merchandise. So all of the chocolates. Look at the macadamia nut, dark chocolates. Oof. Oof, you're tempting me. I should not be looking at these items. Strawberry and cream white chocolate macadamia. Sounds delicious. Also, more items straight from the Big Island. Honolulu cookies. More Honolulu cookies. So what kind is this? This is premium shortbread. Premium shortbread. So it's just like a smaller, you know, little giftable size. Premium shortbread cookies. But now I want a shortbread cookie. Can't have that right now, but it does sound so good. What's on this side? Oh, here's what the cookies look like. There we go. And we have their coffee, Kona Blend coffee. You know, I feel like I went so quickly with the lug bags that I didn't show you guys the beach towel. How pretty is the beach towel? Also, they have a youth t-shirt. And we have Christmas ornaments. Look, it's a Tiki Guy Christmas ornament. Those are really, really, really cool. And they've also got Turbis sippers. All right, and a youth hoodie. Let's take a look at the Olumel merchandise. We have a shopping bag. We do have ornaments for Olumel as well, probably $27.99. Let me double check. $25 actually. Olumel is $25, this one. This one, surfing Olumel, $25 as well. Aulani Resort Spirit jerseys. That's the back of the Spirit jersey. Take a look at that. Very cute. And we also have a t-shirt. T-shirt's $40, $90 for the jersey. Also have a button down from Aulani. That's cool. This is Disney Artist Showcase. I'm trying to see if I can find the price. $75. $75 for the button down Aulani shirt. Jersey again. They also have a little mug. $27.99, I'm gonna guess. $28, I was very close. Right on the nose, $28. And we saw the lounge fly earlier. So actually this is an Aulani lounge fly. I thought this was a Polynesian lounge fly. I made a boo-boo. So it's an Aulani lounge fly. And they also have little plush Aulani magnets, Olumel magnets, and they have a big Olumel plush on the bottom. Okay. This is the Trader Sam's items. Jersey, t-shirt. We do have a Trader Sam's button-down shirt. I think I have 2 Polynesian button-down shirts. Probably 2 of my favorite button-downs. Stitch. Gotta have a Stitch jersey, gotta have a Stitch shirt. if we're talking Hawaii. Here's some of the resort merchandise. Resort t-shirts. The ring collar one's $34.99. They have a towel. Pullover sweatshirt. I like that. Little crew neck. Ooh, it's soft too. $60. Embroidered pocket print, and then that's the ink back print. I like that one. That one's very nice. Also have some Dole Whip t-shirts. Take a look at the Polynesian Village Resort magnets, $14.99. Also have this design, little Maui, and the Dole Whip. A couple different designs for the magnets. I believe they're all the same price, $14.99. I'm going to show you guys some of the jewelry too. Sometimes I skip over the jewelry. Just go down nice and slow so you guys can see all of them. The necklaces, the bracelets, finger rings. Wow, lots of rings. Have they always had this many rings? Why do I feel like the rings are new, or some of these are new? Alrighty, so just one more time before I head up the store. There's a lot of new items that just came last week. So we know just in the last day, it's the lug bags. In the last week or so, we've got the towels, the 2 youth shirts, the Christmas ornaments, the turbises, one new magnet. Take a look at the wooden magnet. How cool is that? Price teal, very, very cool. That's a new item. And of course, the Aulani merchandise that we all saw, but also brand new too is all of the Trader Sam's merch, all of the new Trader Sam's items. A lot of new stuff, a lot of new merchandise here in the last week or so for the boutique. Alrighty, well, we made it over to Hollywood Studios. Does it kind of look busy? Like, it looks a little busy over here this afternoon. Let's go inside and see if there's any goodies that we're looking for. We have the new Pluto Christmas ornaments. What else? Toy Story ornament. New Star Wars ornaments too. So looks like they pretty much have, well, they have a lot of the new ornaments so far. Look at these Nightmare Before Christmas ones. Do they have the new Christmas Mickey ear balls? Well, they do. They do have these as well. I love this one. This one we already got for ourselves. We've also got the pink, the purple, the snowflake. Oh, look what they've got in stock. Good, good. I'm glad to see these in stock. It's the Kermit and Miss Piggy Christmas Carol light up ornament. That's great they have these in stock. I was thinking they were just going to be gone and we were never getting them back, but they've restocked them, so that's good. Taking a look at the Starbucks items. Look at all of the Star Wars mugs. It's a Kashyyyk, Tatooine, and Geonosis mugs. Lots of Star Wars mugs. All right, let's head inside of Disney and Company. Let's see what's new in Disney and Company. Wow, the year flies. Time flies when you're having fun. It's already 2026. You think they start like Halloween and Christmas in Disney too early in Universal. They've released the calendars like 6 months in advance. But look at that. Oh, it's a 16-month calendar. You can see the print. 16-month calendar. $16.99 for the calendar. What do we have? Halloween. Here we go. We have some Halloween back here. Actually, I see a Halloween shirt I've never seen before. I've seen this online, but I have not seen this one in person yet. It's a Sully. Halloween Sully shirt. Is it youth or adult? Ah, that one's pretty cool. No back print. But something tells me you're going to see a lot more Monsters apparel, Cars apparel in the years to come. Is of course here at Hollywood Studios, the Muppet Courtyard. This is being turned into Monsters Land. What other Halloween shirts do we have? We have the Walt Disney Bat shirt with the webs. We have the orange tee. That's probably the newest one I've seen to release. Okay. That's it though. There's a lot of shirts sold out or missing. I'll keep looking, but like I don't see the ghost. There's a lot of shirts missing. They do have the new Orange Bird Loungefly here. More Loungefly, Loungefly, Loungefly. Anything different? They got the white ears. Tower of Terror ears. These Pixar keychains are so cute. Take a look at the little lobster bear. For a mean character, he looks cool on merchandise. They have Winnie and they have Tigger too. Sanitizer bottles. I know I saw the new, there they are. They're the glasses in stock. Maybe those will be in stock now a little more regularly. Okay, let's see what's currently inside of Keystone Clothing. They do have more Halloween shirts, but I think it's the same ones that we saw. I don't know if we saw the villain shirt actually down there. The one with the villains in the font. It is crazy to me. The Halloween shirts are selling out in June and July. It's crazy. Kind of a bummer. Hopefully they restock them soon. I feel bad for the folks that are going to Mickey's Not So Scary and they want some Halloween outfits to wear or some Halloween shirts. That's a pretty Cinderella ornament. And look at the keychain. That's cute. Keychain's very nice. Price teal. Sunset Couture. Here we go. Finally, something new to look at. This is the Fantasmic sweatshirt. Take a look at the print on that. I like it. Hollywood Studios going down the sleeves. That's pretty cool. And the front, so it is a zip-up hoodie. It is glow in the dark. And that's the pocket print that's on it. There you go. That's a new one. One more time. That's what the print looks like. And then here's the magic band. Fantastic magic band. I can tell people like twisted this one, probably trying to get the price on it. Should be probably $49.99, somewhere around there. There's a new Fantasmic shirt. However, it's only available in youth sizes. Aww. It's a Disney bunny rabbit. How cute. Fearless. I'm sure he's a very fearless bunny rabbit out here. I'm in line at Hot and Fresh Popcorn. I think they all are just saying popcorn. But because I want to get that little guy right there through the window. Talking Mickey. Hello there, Talking Mickey. I believe he's $45, I think, for the bucket. It's a little more expensive one, but he does talk. I'll show it to you once I get it. Well, there he is. The infamous Talking Mickey popcorn bucket from Disneyland. How exciting. Here at Walt Disney World. It is $45. I'm not going to make mine play yet. It still has the safety in it. I don't want to pull the safety out of it yet, but that's what it looks like. There's a strap. Popcorn goes in his little head. But isn't he adorable? Hello, Mickey. I got my two. By the way, it's a limit. You can get two at a time. So I've got two very, very exciting Mickey Mouse popcorn buckets. They have a lot. See how long that lasts. For once today, they actually have a lot of something that's in high demand. So, and they're selling it at multiple locations. Like if you get to one and the line is long, go to the other one. Ooh, take a look. That's a new Runaway Railway pin. You guys can see what that one looks like. That's a new pin. Found it over here at the Runaway Railway gift shop or gift tent, whatever we want to call it.
Alrighty, guys. Well, that's a wrap on the video. There was actually a lot more that we did that day, but some of it I ended up editing out of this video. That's why maybe the video doesn't feel like it flows too nicely, because I actually ended up going over to Fort Wilderness as well. I was looking for something there, but just didn't find it, so I kind of just cut that all out of the video. But either way, nice visit over to the Polynesian to see Boutique. You know, I'm not even exactly sure what they did to it for having it closed for so long, or sections closed. I believe it was some flooring changes or whatever, but merch-wise, though, it was great to see a lot of the new merchandise in there, including the lug bags and the Olamel Olani merchandise, the new Trader Sam's items. And over at Hollywood Studios, the main thing was the popcorn bucket. So we got the buckets and some of the new Fantasmic merch. But yeah, that's a wrap on the video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, comment down below, and we'll see you all next time. Take care. Have a great one.